All right. So here's the truck. 1977 Ford F250.
Oh, you're back! See how heavy? I can sit back in this. Forget that, eh?
Revision 2. Just got the cab and the box on. Looks super gangster. Check out this offset. Yeah, this thing's awesome. So, we kind of jumped the gun here on putting the bed back on, just because we wanted to kind of clean up the shop. There's someone coming to look at the shop, so wanted to clean up a little bit. So the bed isn't prepped or anything for paint, and we're kind of, I don't know, unsure if we're gonna keep the bed or build a flatbed for it. So, not sure. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment. But yeah, it's definitely getting there. We're almost there. So it doesn't have a lift. It is it's the F250 Highboy. So factory, I think it is about 2 inches taller than just a standard F250. So, and with these 35s, looks pretty nice. And these rims are 20 by 12, so it gives a nice offset. think it's like a minus 44. Yeah, I like them. They look good. So yeah, if you want to see more videos of this truck or trucks similar, make sure to like and hit the subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on future projects and finishing this one up, painting it, starting it for the first time, and taking it for a rep. All right, see you next time.